light versus dark kitchen cabinets and what's the best for your home. So we have to start with what you're really looking for. What's that kind of dream feel? We actually have our clients kind of dig up some of their inspo pictures. We want to make sure this is the perfect kitchen for you, and it's a big investment, something that you live in daily. It's the heart of your home. So it's about you. And when it comes to the whole home, of course, we do want it to feel cohesive and flow. So we'll always guide you in that right direction. But when you're kind of leaning towards that light, airy feel or a little moodiness, we've seen some beautiful combinations there. We've seen the wide oak and like lighter countertops, but we've also seen the combination of white oak with the black countertops, and you can carry that backsplash up like this and these beautiful shelves that create some more functionality, but just that kind of aesthetic detail. Just different ways of how you can bring a dark tones into a kitchen. Even though it feels a little different maybe from other spaces in the home, we can still create a really cohesive flow throughout, whichever way you kind of go, whether it's that moody dark feel or warmth. We've seen more dark wood tones and warmth even with white, but then you still have those bright kitchens. And again, it's one of the most fun things we get to do. It's about the client and kind of creating that perfect space for them. Natural light is definitely something to consider, I think, when we're, picking out those darker tones maybe in a kitchen, what will show easily. Like, we want to think through all those things. We're here to educate you along the way. We're not going to ever guide you in the right direction. We're transparent about everything. We have a lot of great different options and a great portfolio of different options to kind of help find that fit for what you're looking for. It's a unique space created for you, whether you're leaning towards those dark tones. You can't go wrong with natural light. We absolutely love that in any space, but it is something we'll always kind of factor in with those details, just to make sure you have a really practical and functional space, as well as it being so aesthetically pleasing for you.